What's up everyone? We're out here at Button Willow Raceway Park and we've got 4 drivers here. They've all got our parts on their cars and so we're gonna check out to see how they do. Let's have a good time today.
Good morning, my name is Donald Borsch and we are here at Button Willow Raceway. So here we have the Tesla Model S Plaid. It's an amazing car, 2021, got it right when it came out, and it's probably my 3rd or 4th track day with it. So brakes are extremely important to tracking your car, both on the track and daily driving. The better that you can go into the turn, or the more speed you can carry into the turn, quicker you can stop and essentially carry that speed back out, the faster you're gonna end up going around the entire circuit. My favorite thing as a disabled veteran is actually coming to the track and just kind of letting loose, making sure that my mind is clear, and it's the way that I deal with stress. Yeah, so I can tell a night and day difference as far as the track driving and daily driving, really. Even one of the things I was most wondering about when I decided to make this decision was actually how does the regenerative braking work on the Teslas? And with this R1 kit, I feel like I'm even getting maybe a little bit more battery back every time it engages. And overall, it's keeping my track times lowering and lowering every time I get out there and get more acclimated with this new track.